Hello everyone, let's go to the Dollar Tree. The Shore Living was fully stocked. Well, looking at other people's videos, I guess, it's not totally fully stocked. There's some stuff that I do want to pick up. But in the sticker department, I think I'm pretty much done. I was so happy they had all the stickers in. Oh, and I picked up these. I don't know why I keep walking past the laser cut icons, and then when I see them in my videos, I'm like, you didn't pick one up. But this time I did. The whales, the penguins, and the dolphins. I think that's so cute. I picked up the starfish. I don't think I had the starfish. I picked up these. I think these are cute too. Mermaids and starfish. Did I pick up two? Oh. Picked up that one. With all the, and I'm a beach lover, so I was really happy to find these stickers. I mean, put me by the water, and I am happy, happy, happy. Yes, let's keep the octopus, the dolphin, and the seashell. And these were on the other side from another collection, though, but they were beach themed. I was going to say, oh, I picked up the same one, but no, they just had something similar here. But it's different. And then these, oh, the seagull. And the flip-flops, I love a lighthouse. Yes, y'all, I went ham. Happy Mother's Day to me, because seashells. And even the flexible stencil. And the mermaids. Okay, oh, then this, I saw this wind catcher, and I thought that would be cute while catching the wind. And I also picked up the craft fabric with the seashells on it in the collection. Alrighty. When I tell you I went crazy in there, I did. This was a good find. I had this floral garden metal ribbon. I think that is so cool. And it has a lot of weight to it. That design. Okay. I was happy to find that. And then this design is really pretty. And it's heavy. It's the floral garden metal ribbon. Okay. And I picked up this because I love my bling. Y'all, I went ham. Yes, I did. At the Crafter Square sewing needles. And I see how this will make a journal down in here. Those are different. Oh, I love these alphas. That green just called my name. And that yellow. Sunflowers. This, I kind of want to decorate my Kindle because I can't find it whenever I'm reading it. Because I might put some pelicans on it. Because that's nice. That's stickers. More die cuts. I could not look at them. It's that background that probably called me to, and the owls, because you know I love owls. This I could not leave in the store. An 85 count. Those were fun, fun, fun. And then it comes with alphas. Yes. Wait, somebody open? Wait. Well, put that there. And then it butterflies in that other collection. I haven't seen these. And I said, yes, please. Then they had a inspirational section that I liked. Pain is real, but so is hope. You are stronger than you think. Then grandma. Then let's do one for dad. Then I saw these. What? One more. Oh, you know I love my house. Then I saw these and I could not leave them in the store because you know they're the kitties. So and that's 304 pieces. Yeah. It's a lot of little. And then with these animals. Yes. Okay. I finally saw this so I could watch. It's a nice easel to not just display artwork, but put your phone on or something so you can watch YouTube or your or whatever. I always pick up, but you have to have tissues. Then I picked up this because sometimes that'll help you sleep. Lavender. Alrighty, friends, that is all I have for you today with my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you for stopping by to visit with me. Yes, happy Mother's Day. I went ham, and I hope you had a blessed and happy Mother's Day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye. That's different. And these are different. These are flower ones. I've never seen these. It's different. I don't remember seeing the little cupcakes on the corrugated board. The bees. Memories and travel. Alright. Y'all, they got even more stickers. Oh my god. They really do have the travel theme and the nautical thing covered. Oh, I love oh Lord. Y'all, this going to be it for y'all know this ain't gonna be it, right? I'm telling stories. Why they had that up there? They got the floral. And what's this? Oh, that's cute. I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. Look at the big old. if y'all wanted to send something out. This is the extra pack. I haven't seen that.